I'm in the Tahoe today and it's about 90 degrees and I got a really rough idle. We're gonna start by plugging in the OBD2 sensor. We're simply gonna read the codes and there we go. Cylinder 5 misfire detected. I'm going to swap the number 3 and the number 5 ignition coil and see if the misfire moves over to 3. If it is, all I need to do is change the ignition coil on cylinder number 5. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is pull off the wire to the number 3 and the number 5 ignition coils. Alright, now I'm just going to lift the red tab and that will allow me to disconnect these wire harnesses. Oh, this has probably never been done before on this car. Let's get that light over here and just very gently, I don't want to break it. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. And just give it a light squeeze. And pull it off. There we go. That was nice. Now I'm going to use a 10mm socket and remove both of these ignition coils, and I'm going to swap them. And just to make sure I don't mix these up, I'm just going to put a 3 on this one and a 5 on that one. And now I'm just going to pull these guys off by loosening these 10mm sockets. And you'll see I did put a rag down just in case I drop any of these screws. It doesn't just go into the engine somewhere. Ooh, these things got hot quick. Alright, there's number 5. We'll take that off. And let's get number 3 off. Alright, so we'll move number 3 over to the 5 position. And we'll put the 5 ignition coil in the 3 position. Alright, let's snug these down. I don't have to get them super tight because this is just a test. Let's put our connectors back in. I'm not going to push the red tab down yet because I may be removing one of these. Alright, with everything in, we'll get our rag out of there and we will plug the spark plug wire back in till it clicks. There we go. So we have now switched 3 and 5. And here we go, cylinder 3 is now misfiring. That is how you can use your scanner in order to determine which ignition coil is your problem, or if it is the ignition coil or just a new plug or something else that's needed. Alright, I'm installing the new ignition coil. Okay, snug down these 10mm bolts. Alright, we'll reconnect the wire harnesses. Alright. Get our rag out of there and our light. Let's give it a shot. Alright. Okay, it already sounds better. Read codes. No codes, good. That's it. The problem was actually a bad ignition coil on cylinder 5. That's why these scanners are so handy, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.